Have you noticed your breath is at its worst in the mornings when you wake up? This is called morning breath. And yeah, morning breath is pretty much a given. Here's why it happens. While you're sleeping, the bacteria in your mouth take advantage of the fact that saliva production slows down during sleep. In my previous video, I mentioned saliva is our natural mouth cleaner. In the presence of reduced saliva, the bacteria rapidly breaks down any leftover food and drinks, leaving the foul smell in your mouth. This is Dental Chinwag with Amaka Igwatu. Today's video, we'll be touching on self-help ways to detect bad breath and home remedies to treat it yourself. How do you detect if you've got bad breath? The best way to detect bad breath is by using someone else as a detector. I use my 7-year-old who is so innocent and brutally honest. Alternatively, to avoid embarrassment, you can try the sniff test. The first way will be to lick your wrist and let the saliva dry and then sniff the wrist. Another way is to get a floss and floss your back teeth and then sniff the floss. Wiping your tongue with a clean cotton ball and sniffing it is another way. Once your suspicions are confirmed, don't worry, because there are many home remedies that can help eliminate bad breath. Simple home remedies and lifestyle changes can often remove this issue. The most common cause of bad breath is poor oral hygiene. Ensuring your home care is up to standard is the first step. I have a video on the tools you need for that perfect home care routine. Please click on the link. Brush your teeth twice daily for a minimum of 2 minutes, anytime in the morning and the last thing before you go to bed. Brush your teeth at night to keep your teeth and brush your teeth in the morning to keep your friends. Clean between your teeth with a dental floss or an interdental brush at least once daily. Use a fluoride toothpaste. Spit after brushing your teeth. Do not rinse. It's also very important to start paying extra attention to your tongue. Are you currently cleaning your tongue? Loads of bacteria hang out on your tongue. A tongue scraper or a toothbrush can sort this out. If you are a denture wearer, clean your denture regularly and take them out at night. Do not sleep with your denture in. This is just like sleeping with your shoes on. Parsley is a popular remedy for bad breath. To use parsley, all you need to do will be to chew on a fresh, clean leaf after every meal. Pineapple. There is no scientific evidence to back this theory. It is believed to be the quickest and the most effective. Drink a glass of organic, not concentrate pineapple juice or chew a pineapple slice for 2 minutes after every meal. It's important to remember to rinse your mouth with water afterwards. Keeping your body hydrated prevents dry mouth. Drinking water throughout the day helps with saliva production. So aim for a minimum of 8 glasses of water daily. Yogurts contain healthy bacteria which may reduce bad breath. Eat at least 1 serving of plain non-fat yogurts daily. Milk is well known to help with bad breath. Drinking a glass of low-fat or full-fat milk during or after meals that are strongly flavored helps a great deal. Oranges are rich in vitamin C. Research shows that vitamin C helps increase saliva production, which can eliminate bad breath. Zinc in dietary supplements, chewing gum, and mouthwashes can counteract bad breath. Green tea is an effective home remedy because it has disinfectant and deodorizing properties that can freshen the breath. Mint has a similar effect. Certain compounds in apples neutralizes foul-smelling compounds in garlic. Homemade mouthwashes like baking soda and vinegar mouthwashes can effectively neutralize bad breath. If you want to go about making these mouthwashes at home, here is how you go about it. Add 2 teaspoons of baking soda to 1 cup of warm water. Mix it up. Swish in your mouth for 30 seconds before spitting it out. Vinegar contains a natural acid. Mouth bacteria do not like to grow in acidic environment. To make vinegar mouthwash, you need to add 2 tablespoons of white or apple cider vinegar to a cup of water. Gargle for 30 seconds before spitting it out. Alternatively, you can get an over-the-counter antiseptic mouthwash with no alcohol. This would help as well. Here it is, my home remedies for managing bad breath. If your bad breath is not improving after a few weeks of these home remedies, please consult a dental or a medical professional. Thank you for watching this video. If you know anyone suffering from bad breath or anyone who would benefit from this video, kindly share with them. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section and I would answer them.